to turn off comments on Instagram. Turning off comments on Instagram can be done either for a new post before you upload it, it can be done for an existing post, and it can be done for all new posts by default. This video will show you steps on how you can do this. Now let's start with the new post. For the purpose of this video, I'll create a quick post. Tap on the plus button, select the post, tap on next, tap on next. Then on the screen where you have capture to tag people, scroll down and tap on advanced setting. Then toggle this turn off comments, toggle it off to turn off your comments. And this way you have turned off comments for a new post. Then go back and click on share as usual to share this post. The second way is to turn off comments for an existing post. What you do is to go to your profile, tap on your profile icon below, then locate the existing post you want to turn off comments for. Tap on the post, tap on the three dots and tap on turn off commenting, and you've turned off the comments for this particular post. The final step is to turn off comments for all new posts. On your profile, go back, tap on your profile icon, then on your profile, tap on the three horizontal line, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down till you see comments, tap on it. Here you have your comment control. Tap on allow comments from and select who you want your comment to be from. Is it from everyone, from people you follow, from your followers, or both from people you follow and your followers? Select it according to your preferences. And following this simple step, you've turned off the comments on Instagram. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to get more useful content like this. See you in the next video.